In this problem, it is given that matrix A 2 1 1 2 and also a relation which is P inverse AP is equals to diagonal matrix D1 comma D2. Now let us look into this relation. P inverse AP is nothing but a diagonal matrix. Now if it is a diagonal matrix, then P power n will be always P. Now in this problem, it is given that X and Y are independent variables. Independent random variables. And we have to find expectation of y by x. Now we know that expectation of y by x is nothing but a constant, that is y. So it will be expectation of y. So the answer is option A. In this problem, it is given that y is equals to root over x power 10 plus root over x power 10, so on up to infinite terms. Now we have to find the derivative of this, that is dy by dx. Now there are two ways of solving this problem. One is directly by formula. If y is a function which is root over f of x plus root over f of x plus so on up to infinity, then dy by dx is nothing but differentiation of the function f of x by 2y minus 1, which is d by dx of f of x, which is x power 10 by 2y minus 1. If I differentiate x power 10, it is 10 into x power 9 by 2y minus 1, which is option A. And the other method is take this y root over x power 10 plus root over x power 10 plus so on up to infinity. Consider this entire term as y. Y is equals to root over x power 10 plus y. Now squaring on both sides. After squaring, differentiate them, you will get the answer as A. In this problem, a function f of x comma y is given as 4xy minus x square minus y square. Now we have to check whether it has maximum, minimum, or neither maximum nor minimum. Now, in order to find that, first we need to find fxx, fyy and fxy. Now here fx is nothing but 4y minus 2x and fxx is nothing but minus 2. Similarly, fyy, if I differentiate the function twice with respect to y, it will be minus 2. And fx is always, already we know 4y minus 2x, and fxy, if I differentiate, it will be 4. Now let us take the relation fxx into fyy minus fxy whole square. If this is less than 0, then the function will have saddle point. Now let us substitute the values. Minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4 square, which is always less than 0. So the function has saddle point. So the answer is option A. We have to find the integral of dz by 1 minus z minus 1 whole cube over the curve mod z is equals to 2. That is nothing but a circle whose radius is 2. Now, in order to find this, first we have to find the residues at z is equals to minus 1, as well as we have to find residue at z is equals to 1. Now, residue at z is equals to minus 1 is nothing but 1 by z minus 1 whole cube at z is equals to minus 1, which will give you minus 1 by 8. Similarly, residue at z is equal to 1 will be also 1 by 8. Hence, the required integral is nothing but 2 pi I into summation of residues at pole, whatever the number of poles, which is nothing but 2 pi I into 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8, because they are minus 1 by 8 and plus 1 by 8, which will be equals to 0. So the answer is option A.